Okay, my name's Professor Ed. I'm running for Phantom Menace mascot. And I'd just like to say a few words about KFC this morning. Because to me, it sounds very Trekky. You know, KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, could soon become Kentucky Fake Chicken. The restaurant chain is experimenting with a new kind of meat, 3D bioprinted chicken nuggets. Tell me that's not a food replicator. Go ahead, say it's done. I challenge you, change my mind. That basically means KFC is using chicken cells and plant-based materials to create a new kind of nugget. Welcome to the future of fast food. The project aims to create the world's first laboratory-produced chicken nugget. KFC said in a press release they will also be as close as possible in both taste and appearance to the original KFC product. They will be environmentally friendly and to produce than ordinary meat. The 3D biopollution solutions, a Moscow-based technology company, will develop the chicken. To make it happen, researchers will use chicken cells and plant-based materials to create a chicken proxy that should be pretty similar to taste and texture. KFC will provide the breading and spices so scientists can nail the chicken's traditional buttery flavor and crispy texture. KFC says there is no other method available on the market that can allow the creation of such complex products from animal cells. That's technically true because some of the most popular base meats are made purely from plants. Now, I hate to do this, but we have some big Trek news. Alex Kurtzman admitted that his Trek, as we all know as Big Trek, is a platform to be used to push political and social agendas and to indoctrinate our young so they are mindless zombies. So teach your children well. But I really think the nuggets sounds like a food replicator. Remember the old Star Trek? You know, they go to the cafeteria, they put the disc in, the door opens, their food's there. Well, technology is catching up, Star Trek. And, bye-bye. Again, this is Professor Ed, signing off, and wants to remind you, I'm running for Phantom Menace mascot.